Hello there guys, Clean Kill Jack here and I'm going to show you something. I saw a new update at CSGO, so I downloaded it and opened it up, and I saw this and thought it was a new skin. So I just left it, and then I saw one new item inventory, so I opened it up and then I saw an R8 Revolver! Oh my god, let's equip it! Oh my god, let's equip it! R8 for life! Whatever bitch, I want to use the R8. Take it out! Wreck, you get wrecked, you get wrecked, you get wrecked, you get wrecked. R8 for life! Deagle noob, knife is dead. Deagle faggot, Deagle faggot. 360 R8. Get R8, bitch. Fuck you, a noob! 360 R8. Get R8, bitch. 360 R8 scope, mate. Faggot. Oh my god, it's like a butterfly knife. True draw animations. Oh my god. So cool! I R8'd your mom. And your dad. Bitch. No chicken can live. Bitch. Oh yeah, now I'm ready to wreck some more noobs in CSGO using the R8. What is this? No man, this is bullshit. Wait, let me check this out. What? What?
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you